I've got a Char-Broil grill here that's been donated. I'm going to try to bring it back to life. This is a 6-burner plus another burner on the side here. And it was pretty trash. This has been outside the whole time, so it was all rusted out. I just pulled these cotter pins off of each of the burners and then knocked the burners out. They're down in that drip pan down there. And I'm just going to tear all the rusty stuff out, replace it with a new set of burners and covers, and I guess grills as well, because I don't have those. They're pretty rusted up. They're not really good shape. Here's the drip pan here with I just threw the burners on there, but this is all going in the trash. Just a lot of grease and rusted out parts in here, but otherwise it seems to have decent bones, and hopefully we can get it running again. I was pleasantly surprised to find when I bought the burner kit that not only did it come with new burners themselves, but also 2 igniters. The igniter for the outside cooktop, and then the inside set of burners has both set of igniters came with the kit. I didn't even realize that, so it's a good deal because now it's going to be all new inside. And of course, it also comes with the heat deflectors, which are here, that go above the burners. So let's go ahead and get these out of the bags and get it installed and see what it looks like. Now, all these things do is help you to light each successive burner. So as the gas flows through the first burners, it actually go through here too, and then you'll be able to light them all a little easier with these little bridges across each of the burners. And this is a replacement set that'll go end to end. So let's get it installed and see what it looks like. So here we go. I've got them all installed here. You see one is slightly smaller and the other 3 match, but it covers it end to end for the 6-burner Char-Broil. This looks like a perfect fit, so I would definitely buy these again. There you go. That's how you can rebuild your grill and make it like new with just a few replacement parts and put another 10 years of life into a barbecue grill like this that was really rusted out and just hadn't been taken care of over the years. So, hey, I hope this video was helpful and I hope the information was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.